Hello guys and welcome back to this new series Next.js Crash Course. Unlock the power of Next.js. Whether you are a seasoned developer looking to upskill or just starting out, Next.js will transform how you build for the web. It is powerful, flexible, and most importantly, it makes your app lightning fast. Here is what's in the menu for this course. Setting up your Next.js project from scratch, exploring its file-based routing system, implementing server-side rendering and static site generation, creating API routes and connecting them to MongoDB, styling your app with CSS module and Tailwind CSS, and finally deploying your work live on the web with the Vercel. Build and deploy to a popular cloud server like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. So by the end of this series, you'll have a solid foundation to build powerful full stack web apps with Next.js and MongoDB. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and enable the notification bell. All right, so let's take a look for what you are going to build on this crash course. So we are going to build a very simple and powerful uh, portfolio, which we are going to integrate some of the powerful features. Example, rich text editor, also resume download or convert your resume to a PDF, so the users can actually click to download your resume. So this can download your resume. They can download your resume as PDF, save, and then this will actually going to convert your resume to PDF. All right, so let's take a look. Let's explore more on our portfolio. So just have a very simple hero section, about me. This will actually just open about you page. Next section, which is actually just showing about the service you are offering, all of that, and then feature project. So back to navigation menu, you can see that okay, we can go to project. You can also access about you project. You can see the routing. We have in here the URL. So the project is actually just showing the list of a list of the project. So user can actually open the project, click to open the project. We also have a contact form which is clean. We can also send email once the user fill in all of this information on click send. So this will actually send email to your inbox. So we are going to implement this step by step. So we are going to explore all of this one. Also we have a resume. This is just your resume. So you can choose to design. You can have a different design, different style, but this is just a simple one to show you that once user click on this will actually download your resume, convert your resume to PDF, and the user can actually open it as a PDF. Then we have blog or post. So for post, we have very simple but powerful post because we are using rich text editor QL. So click to open the post. You can see now we have a full post here. User can add comment. So this is very simple but it's powerful because we will include a rich text editor QL, because you can create a new post. Next, from the post also we can see something. Another thing is, since we are using a rich text editor, you see that you can actually include the YouTube. You can embed YouTube in here.
Okay guys, so that was it from
So this is actually YouTube. So click to view the post. And lastly, we have a service. We have service template or service page, which you are just showing the service about your portfolio, and then this one. So this is very simple but powerful. Clean design. So we are going to implement this. You are going to design and implement this step by step. So this is how you are going to learn by building. So we are going to do everything from scratch. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and enable the notification. All right, let's get started.